Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about present simple tense. The present simple tense is the most basic tense in English and uses the base form of the verb except for the verb be. The only change from the base is the addition of s for third person singular. How do we make the present simple tense? 1. Positive sentence. Form, subject plus verb, present simple plus object. For positive sentences, there is no auxiliary verb. We conjugate the main verb by adding s to the third person singular. For example, I go to school every day. She gets up early in the morning. 2. Negative sentence. Form, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb, base form plus object. The auxiliary verb do is conjugated in the present simple, do or does. The main verb is invariable in base form, base. For negative sentences, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, I don't go to school every day. She doesn't get up early in the morning. 3. Question sentence. Form, do or does plus subject plus verb, base form plus object. The auxiliary verb do is conjugated in the present simple, do or does. The main verb is invariable in base form, base. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the auxiliary verb. For example, do you go to school every day? Does she get up early in the morning? Note, normally, for positive sentences we do not use the auxiliary verb do. But if we want to emphasize, stress something, we may use it. For example, instead of saying, I like your dress, we could say, I do like your dress, just to show how much we like it. Here are some more examples. I do wish you'd stop. I do apologize. You do look smart today. How do we use the present simple tense? We use the present simple to talk about 1. General time, action verbs. 2. Situations now, stative verbs. 3. General time and situations now, verb be. Present simple for general time. We use the present simple tense when 1. The action is general. 2. The action happens all the time, or habitually, in the past, present and future. 3. The action is not only happening now. 4. The statement is always true. Look at these examples. I live in New York. The moon goes round the earth. John drives a taxi. He does not drive a bus. We meet every Thursday. We do not work at night. Do you play football? Present simple for now. For stative verbs, we can use the present simple to talk about now. Stative verbs do not describe action. They describe state, and are verbs such as like, sound, belong to, need, seem. We can use these verbs with the present simple tense to talk about a situation at the present time, not general. For example, I want a coffee. That sounds interesting. Do you need some help? Present simple for general time and now. The verb be is always special. It is a stative verb, and we use it in the present simple tense to talk about now situations and about general situations. Look at these examples of the verb be in the present simple tense. Some are general and some are now. For example, I am not fat. Why are you so beautiful? Ram is tall. Note, this page shows the use of the present simple tense to talk about now and about general time. But note that there are other uses for the present simple, for example in the zero conditional or to talk about the future. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.